Good morning, students. So let's start our 2019 paper. Before this, we had completed question first, and today we will continue from the second page. Before this, we had completed this yesterday. The main I give you homework as a homework the synonym of these words. So I hope you write down and you can cross check from this video. So the first synonym is mean, that is given in the paragraph 5th. The word is leading. Nobility word is given in the paragraph 6th, and the synonym of nobility is dignity. Next one is the next word is concern, and that is from the paragraph 9, and the synonym is anxious. Now the second question is given here. Read the passage carefully and write down the answer the question that follow. Means there is the note making offer from this paragraph. This year this was deleted, so there is no need to continue this one. So let's start the next question, third one. This is the answer of the second one, so there is no need to complete it. Now we start section B, advanced writing skill. So this is the notice. Now start. You are Naina Nekobi Com, head boy, head girl of Loktak High School, Manipur. Your school wishes to honor an old student of your school, the famous boxer Mary Kom, for all her numerous achievements by inviting her to school annual day as the chief guest. Write a formal invite in not more than 50 words to be sent to Mary Kom requesting her presence on the occasion. So this is an invitation. Let's start the invitation. How can you write? If you are inviting someone, then write down your institution name, the management, principal, staff members and student of Loktak High School of Manipur. You write down same as it is. I earlier told you the format of informal invitation. Now take pleasure in inviting Mary Kom. You can write down famous boxer locked in to grace the annual day as the chief guest and felicitations. On Saturday 20th July 2000, write down the timing also at the school auditorium. As it is before, we give you so many invitations, and I give you a proper invitation. You can write down there, write down that here. So in the last you can write RSVP Naina head girl. Next question. You are Vinayak Revati from the Green School, Thoothukudi. You read an article about the proposed garbage segregation program in the neighborhood, which is set to begin from the next week. You decide to make a poster telling your neighborhood about the program and the value of garbage segregation. Draft the poster to be put up in the neighborhood. So there is no poster this year in your syllabus, so we leave this question and move to the next one. Next one is a letter. Letter is you are Rodriguez Marina, principal of Seaview Senior Secondary School, Vasco da Gama. Your school needs to formulate and submit an evacuation plan by the end of the month. You are clueless about how this is to be done. You write a letter in 120 to 150 words to state disaster management authorities Goa, asking them to advise and help to how to formulate a disaster evacuation drill for the 1500 students. So let's start the answer. So let's start. First of all, you write down the receiver address, Seaview Senior Secondary School, Vasco da Gama. You skip one line. Then after you write down the date. After writing the date, you skip one more line and write down the receiver's address. The State Disaster Management Authority. After place, then you skip one more line. After that, you write down subject, seeing guidance on formulating a disaster evacuation drill for the school. You write down here salutation, sir or ma'am. You give the preference to sir. If there is written the name of that particular person, then you can write down ma'am also. Next, through this letter, we would like to have the guidance from your department on how to formulate a disaster evacuation drill for your school. We are supposed to submit an evacuation plan by the end of the month to the education department. But as we do not have any prior experience of executing such drills, we are clueless about how this is to be done. Emergency drills are one of the most important ways to be prepared. You have worked hard to have all your food storage, emergency plans, and bug out kits together. But it means little if you have not practiced enough to put them into action. Emergency drills help make something. Emergency drill help make something instinctive and natural that would otherwise require directions, thinking, and having regular effective emergency drills replaces panic, fear with a reflex for action. It is the glue that holds all of our other preparations together. So I request you to guide us on how to formulate a plan for a disaster evacuation drill for 1500 students. If possible, please send a team of experts to train our staff members and have to interaction with our students. Thank you. Yours sincerely. So, in that way, the letter is completed. You can't copy this letter. You write down your letter according to you. You use your own ideas. It is a clue for you. How can you write a best letter? So, do not copy this letter. Do not write down the same. You can write down your own ideas. This is a hint for you how can you write down best to best. So next move to the next letter. The Gandhi Foundation is recruiting graduates for an intensive leadership training program during the summer in a village across India. You are Anjana Benji from 21 Ratanpur village, Bilaspur. I already told you where it is written you are. It means that is the address of the sender one. So this is the address of sender. You are very excited to see the advertisement and decide to apply for the same. Draft a letter in 120 to 150 words applying for the advertised program. Include a biodata showing how suitable you for the training. So first of all, you write down the sender address, then skip one line. After you write down date, then skip one more line. After skipping the line, you write down the receiver's address. First of all, you write down the designation to whom you write a letter. Then after the name of that institution, here it is written the Gandhi Foundation, and after that you write down the place of that place. Next, after you write down the subject and application for joining intensive leadership training program. After, in the next line, you write down the salutation, sir. After that, you write down as it is. I already gave you, or I already told you the letter for job. You write down same as it is. So let's start with reference to your advertisement in the Indian Express dated March 5 for the recruitment graduate for an intensive leadership training program during the summer in villages across India. I offer myself as a candidate for the same. I am passionate about working in rural India as I feel the need and the guide talented youth to actively engage with solving and myriad problems plaguing the country today, especially rural India. I myself belong to the rural background, so I have first hand experience of the problem faced by the villagers. I hope my zeal and enthusiasm, along with my relevant academic qualification, makes me a suitable candidate for this fellowship program. I am enclosing my detailed resume for your ready reckoner. Thank you. Yours sincerely. Write down the name and close the resume here. You write down according to you. This is the resume. You can add some more things, some more information about you in this resume, but do not write your contact number or other details. Next, after that, the recent killing of Amni, the tigers which had 10 months old cubs, had disturbed you. You realize that human encroachment and the greed of land grabbing companies are the cause of this. Write an article in 150 to 200 words to be published in the National Times about your concern and the need to take urgent actions to stop the decline in the number of tigers in India. You are Amit or Ambika Shukla. Before writing the article, I give you short information, a small information here. Each and every time when you write down a letter, first of all you write down the title as it is written here. Need to protect tiger, it is the title, and after that in the next line you write down the byline, means by, and the name of that person who is writing the article. If there is any name given in the question, you write down as it is, otherwise you can write down XYZ. Next, Avni was a 6-year-old mother of 2 cubs. Avni was protected her 10 old months dependent cubs in the vicinity of the Tipeshwar Tiger Sanctuary. When she was shot down by a shooter, Avni was starved. She was frightened for her cubs, that she was crossing road to find food, and that she was leaping up on people over a period. Then we can imagine what is going on to happen to the cubs. Obviously they were going to die. If they have not died already, this incident shows that the growing conflict between man and animal. It was not the first case when a wild animal strayed into human population, leaving its natural habitat. I leave this article here. This is not complete. You can complete this article by your own self. Means you can complete this letter according to 10 marks. Complete this article according to 10 marks and write down in your own words. So in this video, it's enough for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.